In the Krishna book, Prabhupada translates practically all the verses of the 5 chapters of the Ras Lila, and he's given commentaries on them all. But he has many 20 pages of commentary of an introduction to the Ras Lila. This is God and this is His Shakti, and many statements that you won't find so much in the commentaries and the discussions of Ras Lila by Shukamuni. He does discuss points. Don't try to imitate this, or you'll die just like if you try to imitate Shiva and drink an ocean of poison. He does warn the readers about this is not for everyone, but that's a few verses at the end. But Prabhupada, throughout the Ras Lila, he's reminding us that, hey, you don't get lost here. Wait, pull back. It's not Romeo and Juliet. It's not a love story. It's not a Saturday night blockbuster movie or cinema. This is the transcendental Nitya Leela of Krishna. And this bhakti, param bhakti labhyate, you can attain the topmost bhakti by sharanvita, with intense faith and belief and surrender to the content of the Bhagavat and acceptance of this as something transcendental, not to be imitated or duplicated. Then you'll get great benefit.